Welcome to Toolbox. Today's topic is relationships. In relationships, we're stronger together, building bonds that last. The meaning of relationships are the connections and bonds we form with other people. Relationships require intention. Healthy relationships don't just happen by accident, they're built with purpose, patience, and communication. Joseph Port Newton said, "People are lonely because they build walls instead of bridges." Relationships thrive on respect, mutual understanding, active listening, and valuing one another are essential for relationships. Miguel Angel Ruiz said, "Respect is one of the greatest expressions of love." Relationships grow through service. Serving one another deepens connection. Love is shown in actions, not just words. Mahatma Gandhi said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." Our daily proverb for today comes from Ecclesiastes 4, verse 9. Two people are better off than one, for they can help each other succeed. Today's gold nugget: this week, take one intentional step to invest in a relationship. Call a friend, forgive a wrong, or offer a helping hand. Strengthen your bond with love in action. Thanks for watching Toolbox, where we build character, live purpose, and repeat.